In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change reminder times in the Clue app on your iPhone. If you want alerts like your period prediction or fertile window to arrive at a more convenient time, this quick walkthrough will help you make that adjustment with confidence. Clue's reminders are designed to nudge you at key points in your cycle, such as when your period is predicted to start, when your fertile window begins, or when different cycle phases occur. Setting the reminder to a time that fits your routine, like just after you wake up during a midday break or before bedtime, can make those prompts more useful and easier to act on. Start by opening the Clue app on your iPhone. On the main screen, look to the top right corner and tap the menu icon. It looks like two horizontal lines. This opens a panel with the app's settings and tools, and it's where you'll find all the options that control notifications. Next, tap Reminders and Notifications. This section shows you the alerts Clue can send and how they're configured. Here you'll see items like period, fertile window, and cycle phases. Tap the specific reminder you want to change. Choosing one of these opens the details for that alert so you can fine-tune how and when it reaches you. Inside the reminder, tap the time field. You'll see the current delivery time for that alert. Now select your new time using the iPhone time picker. Scroll to the hour and minute that work best, and make sure you've set the correct AM or PM if your device uses a 12-hour format. A practical tip is to pick a time when you'll reliably notice the alert but won't be overwhelmed by other notifications, and try to keep it consistent with when you typically log information in Clue. That's all you need to do. In most cases, the app saves your change automatically as soon as you choose the new time, and you should see it reflected right away on the reminder screen. If you want to adjust another reminder type, just repeat the same process for that item. A few helpful notes. Notification delivery depends on your iPhone settings and connection. If you don't see alerts later, they could be muted by focus modes, scheduled summaries, or system notification settings. Also, traveling across time zones may affect when the reminder arrives relative to your day, so consider revisiting the time after a trip. You now know how to change reminder times in the Clue app on your iPhone. Thanks for watching and take care.